filing charges against Chairman Wontumi and Akunta Mining. We are all watching. This is not about liking or disliking Wontumi. This is about justice, fairness, and the future of entrepreneurship in Ghana. When politics become a tool of persecution, no businessman is safe. When economic success becomes a crime simply because of your political color, we are heading toward a dangerous place as a country. No one is above the law. If Wontumi has done wrong, let the law take its course transparently, fairly, and without bias. But destroying his business, freezing his account, and harassing his employees before any court ruling is not justice, it is revenge. As we keep records of these events today, one day history will refer back to them. And when you are judging him in your public courts, at least judging based on the issues and the facts, not on your emotions or political side. Because if we normalize this culture of political vendetta, then tomorrow the same tools of persecution will be used against others. Maybe even those who cheer it today. Written or authored by Akanirio Kabiru Abdul. Very chilling. Right up there. Nah, Inshallah, Chairman Wontumi will be more stronger than who he used to be and who he is today. Nah, we will play politics with it because it fits us or it speaks for us. Akantanapia minka apino soup. Jerry John Rollins. Our name Mwabati NDC in a good juma. Boache mattress, nana boache, nana B, papa. NDC, ne John Mahama, Jerry John Rollins, Marcy Fuya, in a good juma. Be a mensa, no fukumaru. Also, the same thing. You can name and name and name and name and name Asante indigens. I'm not saying Ashanti. Asante indigens. Entrepreneurs, rise up. Jerry John Rollins, and then this, you know, nah, this is not different of what we have experienced in the years ago. Chairman Wontumi will present himself this morning with his lawyers. If they will talk law, Chairman Wontumi will have his day. If they will talk politics, he will live with it until one day when the tables turn. Nah, Odia Kube, Edia reclaiming land, no. Odia Kube 50,000. Wow. As we speak, we're there between 20 to 30,000. I was asking so. In the pictures that you are seeing, the videos, no, Akunta mine concession, no, and effort say about reclaiming land, no. TSC na Kube. Or put up a factory we are or bear sport to Kubeni. At the aquaman on it. Now it is a master to Kubensiono. At the Yama baby. He's in the process. And now was as in Swa. Close to 30,000 coconut trees. And the word dear. I was asking so. Obia bet me a fly drone. Oh, make us a me. Bet me a call fly drones. No one say I can mine a concession. No, your dear could be also, and I say, Niai. And Nipper do send a young mine will come her. Would they say, I any papa, and also any bonnie poria, or make it an effort, so or reclaim land. No, dear, a bay, and I say could be. But for the politics of it, what we name the chilling story, I can't work me from 2012-13 do Mayeno, the Ecosumeno, and young one. If they couldn't break him down, if they couldn't kill him between 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, this time so they can't kill him. they can't kill him. They can't run him down. God they wanna back.
Oh yes.
Jiname. He will go through it and he'll come out stronger. Empire and I was say Yebomano. And a pen me say call. Do one call for me. Understand it. Now only one interesting thing. Those days, you know, na your mama Elizabeth Ofoso Jare. People doesn't know. And you want to be lawyer.
Okay.
The chambers and they handle the issue.
Can someone, especially in Mammy need be no mum and near me Ghana. Dr. Baumia campaign, Mimika, policies issues attacking the problems, societal issues, or the plans, policies. I see what I say. I dear when I'm my first one, the Bayajuma, I'm the Yajumas, the effect in it. Ninja who Galam says, what can't want some actually acquire what was solving. And the man how I Yahoo. This Anya Mano, also say, Dr. Mahmoud, but we're in feel because the Galam say policies, the music weakness say crown the womb. Now, maybe they may bar, saying a mayano, over crowd and cousin the weakness say, but as Yenya, I can say, maybe they may bar, saying a mafaswa, mayano, Amagana for Anyak Butoyamana, Omoha Tom, was a Galam say, can be solved. Nia who said, this is a leader from NPP. Or bar, I mean, more around Omunya NPP for no scrano, or subscribe. Akasab was a Amontoma Sanipawi. Chairman, what does it?
Anyway,
Sabe. Oh, okay. No change.
No change every day. My mention what team for near here for now mean chia mention of addition honorable Akosiko, my mention and Waba. And
he's in town.
Yeah, Waba, one of the radio stations and okay, yeah.
Chamon Fanam Remy. Now, for Coach Chamon Remy. Why?
Messer Bosheba. I'm in slow. Massy. I'm a taboo deeper, Pipinina or Wako Kereno,
Tiabanka, they begin with outpatient. Na not a focus a wouldn't increase you in money. Now, from Kobe,
whenever
the Galam say issues.
Yes.
A lot. Ghana today.
Yes. Ghana today. Send your can a rehosem. Na Akaime 2004 was to I think say Oshe Emra John Dramani Mahama Ebedia de na Oshe Tibiana Ghana womb and then I say I'm a mind back. Catch say Ghana sky Ariaman Akadumpino. That is the same situation we are now seeing today. Now, you catch Ghana for say a memono and ye idea ye sohe. Anna say Ubi Bumaya Utincha Bakasa airful. Name say the Mawa. Honorable who say the wandering to your sanity. Now, may the president John Dramani Mahama dear. Me de China enye because akunya na watna sopen and watna sopen nso no the latter part of the administration say you hu ye ni so be kaya nya medical doctor say ye anomawie school no mo tifia aban enfo mo adwuma yenya bi na emra na ye be call 2024 elections see ye catch Ghana for say mama won't mfi na sa John Dramani Mahama ya NDC for e the propaganda aka nsemu amamo mu free say we ni pa foforo ye ni pa foforo adwene denitrim ene NDC eni pekwo odunbu man the previous ones no o mo an da so ye kan mo anti ase nya yesa emranti ni maba wayi timbia me kase wo mo mreso na president Kofo bo modern ema ye wo mo free of charge ema Ghana for every say na ye normal sa enchihye na dan Kofo ado page free president Kofo so ba na dan Kofo ado NPP abandi ba ya na ye nhihye ya ebua ema enibie fo ho to wo mo no na omufu say no ma sa aban bia ba obetimi aye afi na manfo di twampoa ubie wano na akasa afiri esi chesi yenwe forgetting say sadi ya yenwi eno so ene masebe anyi bia no obi timi beye nipa afaso tru no beye nipa na da achi otimi certificate emi otimi edi aketua ene aban ayadom NPP aban ebeko ayadom etimi nya financial clearance edi fasa nkrofo we nyina in the process ye guso ye omuhu nkratasem ena eja Ghana for say ye ho afon wo mu omubu ofu enti yenkofi nkoda with the hope say aman chechireye eye ntoaso anye biar ye hu say NDC baayi sika do mbatu bi omba ye je sika ma omu yie omba no mfi say sika na egu ho no ensada ne ye di ensa ebom edi shopping simple because Ghana ye ha nyina aye dollars say betimi ma dollar rate abafem eno kwa ne ye ha en ye sisa say sika nyina na ye do push it to the system so the be ebenya cheap friend saying propaganda ne dia kasa dia tia NPP amono homodin eno mo ye sika ibasa ene mrante ne maba wa nyamia ya adom a o matimi akọ school awie aya form mo ye adwuma aketua yentua amanne na anye bia junior doctor na wono no ewo ho a wo hwe patients wo hwe ayarefo no sebe na adwuma mu sisi ne yi so yi a enye nipa kum no de beba teacher ni a wono enne wo classroom e kira de na anye bia ne rent aso ibi wo ba school kura na bia no obedi kura ya asem ade papa ben wo ko kire nkwala no na de ehu kura ne nurses